Thank you for choosing a high-performance door from the Green Building Store. We want to ensure it works smoothly for you as designed. Very occasionally, clients get in touch with us because they're having problems closing or locking their doors. This video will help you diagnose the cause of the problem and then suggest easy ways to remedy the issue. If you're struggling to close a door and the door is rubbing against the frame or the threshold, this is usually caused by settlement of the door and can be very easily remedied by adjusting the hinges. Please watch our adjustment of door hinges video to take action. If you're struggling to lock a door or the handle is stiff, there are two possible causes. Either the door leaves are no longer aligned due to settlement of the door on the hinges, or you have a problem with the ironmongery and locking mechanism. A quick way to test this is to try the locking mechanism with the door open. Does it seem to work smoothly? If the locking mechanism works fine, then the problem is more likely due to an issue with the settlement of the door on the hinges. This can be easily remedied by adjusting the hinges. Watch our adjustment of door hinges video to take action. But before watching, you just need to establish which type of hinge problem it is. Doors often drop on the hinges from above due to the weight of the door. This is indicated if the door is rubbing on the threshold at just one edge, or the door could be rubbing on the keeps at the top of the frame. To remedy this, you generally just need to adjust the top one or two hinges. Another problem you might encounter is the door being out of square with the frame. If everything is out of line, you may need to adjust all three hinges to square the door back into the frame. If the locking mechanism does not work with the door open, then clearly you have a problem with the ironmongery itself. If you ring Green Building Store's Aftersales team, we can discuss the next steps on how to get the replacement ironmongery. If it is not an ironmongery or hinge problem, then there is a chance that the door casing has been installed out of square. To check this, use a spirit level to see if the top and sides of the door casing are level. We hope that this video has been helpful in diagnosing your door problem. If you need any further assistance, please contact our after-sales department.